You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this area, famous in particular for its wine in the very north of Italy along the Adige River. So that's how you pronounce the name of the river, and that's why it's named Adige, and Alto means high. So that's the highest part of the Adige Valley. Alto Adige, that's your Italian pronunciation here, Alto Adige, so the high part of the Adige Valley, Alto Adige. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.